In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage global color in Divi theme. To begin, open your site in the Divi Builder on the home page. If you're using the Visual Builder, give it a moment to load the on-page tools. We'll work from the left-hand side panel, which is where Divi groups its key controls to keep your design process organized. Open the inspector in that panel. The inspector shows you which settings influence what you see, so it's a great place to make changes with confidence. Next, switch to the Styles area. Styles is where Divi centralizes reusable design choices so your site stays consistent without manual edits in every module. Inside Styles, go to Colors. This is the hub for palettes and variables that your modules reference. Choose Headings Light to focus on the color settings tied to that style. Targeting a specific style makes it easier to update the exact elements you care about while keeping everything uniform. Now click Manage Global Colors. This opens the Global Color Manager, where Divi lists your color variables. Think of these variables as named swatches. Anywhere a module uses one of them, changing it here updates that color across your site instantly. It's the simplest way to enforce brand consistency on every page and template. From this panel, you can generate color options to round out a balanced palette. This is useful if you have a primary brand color and want coordinated accents and neutrals. Click the small color palette icon to generate additional suggestions, and you'll see more colors appear right away. Treat these as starting points. Adjust any swatch to meet contrast and accessibility needs so text remains easy to read and your hierarchy stays clear. As you review your variables, aim for a tight set that covers primary, secondary, accent, and neutral tones. Fewer well-chosen globals reduce the need for overrides and make maintenance straightforward. When you assign these variables to buttons, headings, and backgrounds throughout your designs, future changes are as simple as updating a single swatch here in the manager. When you're done refining, continue designing with confidence, knowing your global colors are now driving consistent styling. Your headings and modules that rely on these variables will stay in sync, and updates will be fast and predictable. That's the complete flow for managing global color in Divi. Open the inspector, go to Styles, choose Colors, select your style group, and manage your global variables using the palette tools. Use this process anytime your brand evolves, and your site will stay cohesive with minimal effort.